Do you think I am good looking? Watch this video on Copy Rocket AI to watch douchebag like me if you don't have anything productive to do. Yeah. So, you don't...
Okay, so this is going to be very interesting because whatever you saw in the introduction, you are going to create this in this video. Pika.art has introduced two main features to their AI text to video model. First is the lip sync. So AI characters which you have built on using these models can really lip sync using your own audio. So you don't have to pick up a sample image to create a lip sync. You can also create a lip sync of your AI videos, just like you saw in the introduction video. Secondly, sound effects. So you can add the sound effects if you just go to pika.art here, and you will find a load of examples with the sound effects. You can add that, but it is available for the higher end user, for the pro user, which may cost around $1 for the unlimited credits. So I am a subscriber and I have got the 700 plus credits because 200 credits were already there. So I have consumed so many playing around with this particular software, and there is a 637 credits left. And if you see in the my library, I have playing around with this. First thing first, it's very basic and beginner friendly interface. You don't have any advanced options, just like runway. So there's a very few models out there which works on AI text to video model. First is runway ML. There is also a stable diffusion, and this is the Pika dot, which keep on updating their model, because as before it was Pika Labs and now it's a Pika Art. So enough of Twitter, let's go to the video, and this is where you need to include your prompt. So I have my prompt ready. So it is YouTuber facing camera, PC setup behind, distant from the camera, average Australian guy, both hands on table in front, don't show hands. Why I'm saying it don't show hands? Because any model right now is not consistent with the hand movements. That's why I don't recommend to show hands, because it will just keep on getting weird, which you don't want. You want to be a stable view, right? So both hands on table in front, don't show hands, because hand on table meaning that the camera won't show the hands, it will only show the face. Okay, so this is the context which I'm giving it. So sound effects, obviously it's only available for the pro, you won't be able to do it. And there is a video option. So video option is 16:9 resolution, which is for the YouTube. That's why I'm selecting this. If you want to select any other resolution, just go ahead. And there is a camera icon, which is the camera control, how you want to control your camera. First I want to zoom in only, because I don't want to rotate, because it's just the YouTuber's perspective and the camera is stable there. And there's a pan movement, so left to the right, that's up and down, that's depend on your preferences. So the strength of motion, keep it as low, because you don't want the camera to move very swiftly, so keep it at low. 1 is enough, I think. So zoom in, and the strength of motion is 1. And there is the negative prompt, and I have added only 2 prompt here. Negative prompt is something which you don't want to see in your outcome or output. So I don't want to see a not real image or a video, or distorted video. Distorted video is something which, weird movements of the character or maybe the environment. Also, I've added a distorted video. So I will delete this, because sometimes what it does is it gives some fake video, or I would say some very cartoonish video. So I'm deleting the not distorted video. You can add only not real. There is a consistency with the text. If you want to add a text to the video and you are applying that in the context, then the consistency with the text should be higher. So this is a seed. Seed is very advanced settings. If you want to create something new and you want a setup, or you want a scenario same like before, you can save that seed here. So that's it. Let's click on the magic button and see if we can create YouTuber character. Okay, so this is not something which we want. Okay, I don't think so it just putting the character behind the sofa, and there is a screen, so I don't think we want that. So I'm saying is YouTuber facing camera, PC setup behind the character. So every Australian guy, so PC behind the character. So I'm saying the character sitting on gaming chair, PC behind the character. Okay, distance from the character, I will say close up from camera, don't show hands. So every Australian guy, camera POV. So this is something which I want to add, just to see if we can get our result or not. So let's see if all other settings are okay. Yes, it's fine. So let's see if we can do it. So you need to create not for once, 2 or 3 times to get your perfect output. So that is something which you have to take it out with you, because you won't get your perfect output in the one go. So you may be unlucky. to get one. So as you can see, I had 647 credits, now it's down to 607, and it cost me $10 per month. I don't think it's very useful for someone like me because it's just not giving the output which I want for now. So let's see if we can get. Okay, so this is also very weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on retry if you want to retry it. But the thing is, I need to simplify this prompt. Maybe I'm entering too much prompt, which is may be getting difficult for Pika to actually get that. So what I'm going to do is create YouTuber sitting on chair, PC set behind, don't show hands, close up camera. So I'm just saying close up to camera, face average. So I'm giving the ethnicity average Australian guy. So let's select rest. Okay, rest is already selected, so let's just click on generate again. So as you can see, the first thing they have, first is Pika give me, this is also very weird. So I have retried using this. So there you go, this is also very weird. So these are the 4 output it has given us, just like this and just like this. I don't think this is what we need. So keep on retrying it and let's see the credits. So credits is down to 587, and let's see how much it will eat to get our perfect video. Okay, so we finally get our near to perfect video. So we are going to create a 10 or 11 seconds video to get our things going on. So there is add 4 seconds here, and now just you need to click on hand 4 seconds. So what it will take is it will take the video and will add a more 4 seconds. So now here we have zoomed in the first part, and the next 4 seconds what we are going to do is we are going to zoom out. Just zoom in and zoom out just to be very consistent about it. And there is a parameters which is already, you know, ugly, bad, not real. So this is what I'm going to add. So frames per second 24 is fine, and let's just click on generate. So what it will do is it will add more 4 seconds to the video which we already generated. So let's see if we can actually add or stay consistent throughout the process of adding more and more seconds to it. So it's added 4 seconds to it, so let's watch it. So it's just talking it, that's fine. So it is giving some expression, so that's fine. So now one more 4 seconds should be added to this to complete our prompt, to complete our lip sync. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4 seconds more, and now we have added in the first 3 seconds of zoom in, then zoom out, and now we will add the zoom in again to create a camera options. So there is a motion control to add a zoom in, and there is a frame per second you want to add, and there is ugly, bad, not real. So this is something which I want to add just randomly. And now again click on this magic button. So there we go, we have our 11 seconds of video which we wanted, and the output is pretty good. I would say the decent. Okay, so it had ruined in the end, so I'm just leaving it out like that. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a lip sync to it. So what you need to do is click on add it here, and it has an option of lip syncs. So lip sync, I have already shortlisted my words to it, as you have heard in the introduction. So there you go. So I will choose the Clyde.
Rather regret the things that I've done than
Clyde's
the things
volume,
that I've not done,
which is quite heavy and with bass. So just click on the generate voice. Be concise about your text. It should be in between the video length you have chosen. So it's between the 11 seconds, which is fine. So let's hear it.
Do you think I am good looking? Watch this video on Copy Rocket AI to watch douchebag like me if you don't have anything productive to do. Yeah, so you don't.
So that sounds really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach and continue. Let's click on the generate. So it will take some time to generate a final video. So I'm just ignoring the last part of this one. This actually looks very weird and creepy, but I'm just letting it be. So let's see the final output with lip sync.
Do you think I am good looking? Watch this video on Copy Rocket AI to watch douchebag like me if you don't have anything productive to do. Yeah, so you don't. Do you think I am good looking?
This looks actually really good because it's very customized output. So what we are going to do is next, and not the last step, let's see the credits it has been eaten. Okay, so 647 to 557, so around 200 credits has been eaten by this Pika.art. So I've spent around $10 and I've already lost 200 plus credits for just this one video. What we're going to do next is, before we download, let's just upscale our video. So to upscale that, there's a 3 dot icon here. Just click on the upscale. So it will start upscaling your video. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so we have got our upscaled video.
Do you think I am good looking?
Oh, that's really good. So last step is to download the video.
Watch this video.
So just click on the download, and if you just go to here and click on the get info, let's see the resolution it gives. So it gives a 4K video. I think it's really good. And if you just click on, so
do you think I am good looking?
So this is the output. So how do you like this video? I hope you have learned something from this video, and let's see how many credits it has been. So 551, so 200 credits per video. So I think it will be around 4 videos, or I would say the 4 videos should be created using the basic, which is cost me around $10 per month. So that means $2 per seconds video of generated by Pika.art. So that's the math. So if it worth it or not, I think it doesn't, because this is just the 10 seconds of the video. But if you want to create more, even the short form video is about 1 minute long. So to get the 1 minute video, we need to create 60 seconds video. So this is just the 10 seconds video. So if we multiply by 6, so it will cost around $14 short video, which I don't think is feasible. But if you click on the upgrade here, you can go ahead for the pro section. So for the pro, which costs around the $58 per month, and it will give you the unlimited lightning generation. So you're not limited to credits, which is about 700 for the basic. Standard, I will say, which is per month for the year. But if we click on the monthly, $10. And for the pro, which is for the unlimited use, this is $70 per month. So that's it. So that's about the Pika.art, and that's what we are going to cover in this video. Just do subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video.